Presenting genuine floor mats. Floor mats are important to ensure safe driving, but are you willing to risk your safety? Non-genuine floor mat may lead to such accidents, compromising occupant safety. Genuine mats are developed with passion and precision to ensure utmost safety. These mats are engineered and designed with proper testing. Mat clips. Floor gripping nibs and Velcro retain the original safe positions. Non-genuine mats may lack safety clips and can move ahead from a safe position. It can slide and obstruct pedals. The incorrect design may overlap with the pedals. Pedal safe area ensures no interference for safe driving. Mat obstructs pedals from behind that leads to safety concern. It overlaps accelerator and leads to uncontrolled acceleration. Multiple mats can jam brake and overlap accelerator, leading to unsafe driving. Genuine floor mat advantages. Genuine mats are made of superior quality material. Do not compromise on safety. Always choose genuine floor mats.